Traders, Easter egg time. Let's get this started. Everybody's been asking, how do we use the KISS chart? What's a 100 level trade? How do we get this going? Okay, here we go. I'm going to show it to you on the charts. We're going to use July 12th, 2024. Okay, so the first thing that we're looking at here is we want to make sure that we are trading with the trend. Now, this is the 2-minute chart. Okay, now assume that on the 15-minute chart, it's telling you you're looking for the next setup. Matter of fact, let's bring it up. Let's just get it out of the way. Let's not assume anything. Let's just take a look, folks. All right, so what we have here is accumulation. This is a Wyckoff pattern. Now, we're not going to get into Wyckoff. This is a Wyckoff pattern, and it triggered. I'm going to show you how we had clarity to take the trades that we took, and I'm going to show you the trades that we took. So the first thing is, this is a 15-minute bar, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down into the 2-minute bar. I'm going to show you how much volume actually went through this bar. This is an accumulation pattern. Higher highs, all-time highs, higher highs, all-time highs, higher highs, all-time highs. Good. We're setting up perfectly. We get our pattern on the PPI report, my mistake, and it flushes and goes with what's called a liquidity grab. Now, how do we know that it was a liquidity grab? Here's how we know that it was a liquidity grab. I'm going to bring up a chart that's got volume on it. This bar on a 2-minute chart had 12,950. All right, so your head trader, your coach has pointed out, hey, we're looking for longs. Okay, what's next? Well, he says on the 15-minute chart, he's given its green light for looking for potential longs if we can move into position 1 on the 2-minute chart, which we call the KISS chart. All right, so now here's what that looks like. When all of the moving averages, we have a 20, 200, and 1 simple SMA. 200, 20, and 1 simple moving average. 1, 20, and 200 SMA. When you see them fanning in this hierarchy right here, I'm going to point a big arrow to it. We are only trading in the direction of the fan. In this case, it happens to be up, so let's go ahead and look. What I want to remind you of is there's no trades on this chart. None. Here, you're not allowed to go long. Here, there's nothing. Here, you're waiting for it all to move in this manner, increasing at an increasing rate. Okay, so how do we trade it? Well, after 9:28 a.m., what I'm going to share with you now is my 100 level trades. 100 level meaning I take them binarily, yes or no. Statistically speaking in probability and protection, these are the highest success rate trades for me personally. Now, what I want to say about this KISS chart, and this is how I want to introduce it to you. I have never ever in my life since 1999 of staring at these charts. I haven't always been profitable, but since 1999 staring at these charts, this is the highest frequency success I have ever seen if you just take the time to figure it out for your trading style. So after 9:28 a.m., we're looking for longs. We're taking every trade that fits our profile. Let's just talk about them. Let's bring them up. There's going to be some winners. There's going to be some losers. It doesn't matter. You take the next trade. Okay, so let's find 928 and let me just show you how this works. Everybody tries to make this way too complicated. It's green overtakes red once we go into position 1. Yeah, but Rev, how do you know if the next trade's going to win? The question is, does the next trade win or lose? Yes. Yes. The answer is yes. The next trade wins or loses. All right, so now watch this. Here's how this works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my risk ruler. Okay, after 9:28 a.m., we take every single trade. Here's my 100 level trades. Okay, I think we've drawn enough of them, folks. When this shifts into first position and we are near all-time highs and we have our proverbial foot on the throats of the shorts by that pin bar that had 12,950 contracts on it that never recovered lower and then went above VWAP, touched it, and never looked back. We are green, okay? We would have loved to have taken the long here. Some people got in long here, but remember, we didn't get long till 9:28. Let's look at this a different way. The candlesticks are created by the computers trading against each other. How about the quants make these candles? All we're doing is riding the coattails. We found a little thread. We can jump in the back of the coattail. We don't even have to get wet. So now, how did I trade this? all we're doing. When the green overtakes the red, you go long. Let's not make this more complicated. No shorts. We don't think about shorts. There's nothing here that says anything about shorting anything anywhere. That's for when it all slopes downwards. Okay. Now, what we want to do, let's take a look. Every time it goes green overtakes red, and you can identify your stop. We trade in probability and protection. We execute. Boom, 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 boom. Sometimes the stop is a little bit bigger. Well, when we're on our coaching call, I explain exactly how to use that larger stop size. Boom, here's a little one. Oh, that one got stopped out. Oh, darn. Boom, next trade, big winner. Boom, next trade, big winner. Boom, next trade, big winner. Big winner, big winner. Oh, no. Oh, that one got stopped out. Okay, so now, when do you stop taking the trades? Watch, I'll show you. Look at right here. We call this the roll of the 7 on the craps table. Flush, removal, right? This one actually did get filled. Flush, because you're starting to peter out. I mean, look, you could keep taking these trades. You really could. And then eventually it'll just stop you out. Okay, perfect. That means you wait. Watch, because watch this. Watch. It goes into what we call the chop zone here. That we're getting long in this video, but that's okay. You guys are getting absolute gold nuggets. When do you not trade? Okay, not only does the KISS chart tell you when to trade, it tells you when not to trade. When do you not trade? Right here. Right here. Until it goes back into position 1 right here. Now watch this. 12:44 p.m. Eastern time. Watch. Let's enjoy ourselves. Watch. This gets great. Oh, do you see it? Oh, do you see it? Oh, I don't even have to say anything. I don't even have to put them on the chart. You already know where they are. Nothing for me to do. Nothing for me to say. Green overtakes red. Execute when we go back into position 1 in the KISS chart. Don't make it any more complicated than that. I'll see all of you in the live trading desk. Link down below. Peace.